Hey guys, so today I have got another DIY video for you guys where we are going to tackle those stubborn under eye circles and puffiness by making our own DIY eye pads right at your home. So let's just quickly talk about some of the causes of dark circles. So there may be different reasons to get dark circle, like stress, working late night on computer, not drinking enough water, and improper sleep. For me, it definitely has to be working late night on computer because I am such a night owl. Comment down below if you are someone who can relate to me. And also, I am guilty of not drinking enough water because I feel like it's so boring. But now I'm kind of working on it and trying to drink more water by a simple trick. I like to add slice of lime and few mint leaves into my water. What it does is it adds a nice flavor to my water so that it doesn't taste very plain. And also it has several health benefits, like limes is acidic in nature and in turn it improves digestion. Limes are a good source of potassium, vitamins, calcium and magnesium. Mint promotes digestion, clears up congestion of nose, throat and lungs, and both are really nice for your skin. Moving on to the video, I am going to share a DIY mask for which you are going to need cucumber, a honey, castor oil, few cotton pads and a ziplock bag. To quickly talk about the ingredients. So first up, I'm taking cucumber. Cucumber is known for having a mild skin lightening effect. It has ascorbic acid which brings down the water retention in eyes. It's high in antioxidant and it cools and soothes tired eyes. Second up, I'm taking honey from a brand called as Heavenly Organics and it's their Acacia Honey. Acacia Honey is the purest form of honey. Also, I particularly like Acacia Honey for my skincare because it's the most natural form of honey, and if you want to check a full review on this honey, I'll link it above because I have done video in past. And let's just talk about the honey benefits. So honey is a powerhouse of antioxidants. It is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. It helps in formation of collagen and it also acts as a natural humectant which helps draw moisture in. Moving on, I am going to add a castor oil. The castor oil is rich in fatty acids which keeps the eye area hydrated. It's also rich in antioxidant and has healing properties. So let's just make this eye pads. So you want to start with slicing the cucumber with skin on and add that in a blender or food processor, whatever you have. Then add 1 tablespoon of acacia honey and 1 tablespoon of castor oil and blend it until it becomes like a really thick smoothie consistency, and this is how it should look like. And then you want to go ahead and start to cut the cotton pads in half, and this is going to become our eye pads. And then go ahead and pour a mixture in a big bowl and completely soak the cotton pads and let them sit there for 5 to 10 minutes so that the mixture is completely soaked into the cotton pad. After that, you want to go ahead and start taking out cotton pads out of the mixture and squeeze the excess liquid. And this is how your eye pads should look like. From here, I'm going to put my eye pads in a ziplock bag, and also I do not like to layer them because it will be such a task to remove afterwards. I like to fit around 6 to 8 pads in one ziplock bag. After, you want to go ahead and place the ziplock bags into your freezer and leave it there for 4 to 5 hours. And after 4 to 5 hours in freezer, they do really get hard, so you do want to let them sit in room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes. After that, it will be soft enough to use it underneath your eyes. You can use this anytime when you feel like your eyes are puffy or you're having dark circles or you just want to give a little extra care to your eyes. I like to leave mine about 15 to 20 minutes, and then whatever the mixture drips on my face, I like to massage it. I love this eye pad so much, and I hope you enjoy this video. And if you did so, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll talk to you guys soon. Till then, bye.